several occasions, including in my budget presentations in 2021, in 2022, and in 2023, I called for the total removal of the requirement for guarantors to access a student loan. The data I had seen when I was chairman of the Public Accounts Committee showed that the collection from these guarantors was minimal in the scheme of things, and there was evidence to show that the requirement to provide guarantors made student loans inaccessible to many students, in particular students from low-income families. That is why I repeatedly called for the requirement of guarantors to be abolished overall. I'm therefore happy that the minister has finally heeded that call and removed the requirement of guarantors of student loans for everyone. Mr. Speaker, it is yet another example of how good things happen when this government listens to the opposition. And indeed, it shows how much better things will be when the opposition becomes the government. It reminds me of my call in last year's budget, a year ago, for an increase to US $150 in the duty-free allowance for online shoppers, for which a minister later adopted in part when he announced the increase to $100 US at the JLP conference in November. Mr. Speaker, Jamaica needs change in the current approach to economic development.